Okay, so to get this tool to work, and you'll understand what I mean in a minute, you got to get part of this underlying 2x4 opened up so that you have a place to now some pallets you get are going to naturally have spaces in there and you won't have to fool with this. This one, however, it's kind of a heavy duty one, which is good, but they're set in there real tight. And look around when you get your pallets, because some of them are just crap and it's not even worth your time, but you should be able to find one with nearly about 5/8 inch, half-inch thick boards on there. So like I said, this is not the easiest thing, but pound this. And this one's basically ruined because it's cracked. And then we get down to this part here. And for the nails, it's good to collect them and recycle them or whatever, so you don't end up stepping on them. For safety's sake, be sure you don't let them lay around for people to get. So this is how get injured with, is what I'm trying to say. So fits on there like that. That's why we had to clear off a board to fit this tool in there. Get it up snug. You can see it starts to pull up. Go this in. And I like to get, instead of going like this, I like to get the where it's prying on this side as close to the nail as possible. Boom. Okay. Do the same thing over here. You know, sometimes they pop off of here real good. Sometimes they require just a little bit of extra effort. But that works pretty slick, doesn't it? Then you can just drive these nails out. There's actually people that do these professionally that have a special air tool that drives these nails out, but I don't think most of you are gonna get quite that into doing this. But you can take these pallets, break them up pretty good with this thing pretty quick. Sure beats prying it with a pry bar or hammering it with this small mini sledge. And the only thing I can say again is be careful with these because they're dangerous with all these nails sticking up. I'm throwing them over there in my pile and then I can deal with it. But that's, and I got this tool from Bob's Industrial Supply, but it was actually Amazon. As you can imagine, they sell about anything, but it came pretty quick. It's made out of really heavy steel and seems like it works pretty good. It was around, if I remember correctly, and I can post this, but about $60 or $70 shipped. And when you are doing a bunch of these, that cost is nothing for the amount of time you save. Alright, well, that's a quick shot there, and thanks for my subscribers.